Hello, my name is Mark Trueluck, and welcome to the Art of the State channel. In this series, I show you how to build a 1-minute machine. As is required by tradition, I'll begin this series with a Hello World example. We start by defining the name of the system we are specifying. In this case, Hello World. Next, we create the machine block, and then our first state, main. Currently, our system does nothing. In order to change that, we need to be able to send a message to the state machine. And in order to do that, we must create an interface method. Actions make things happen in a state machine. Let's create a speak action to enable that for our system. We now have a say something interface method, and we have a speak action, and we have a main state. As the final step, let's create an event handler that responds to the say something event by calling our speak action to say, "Hello world." Done in the nick of time. To find out more about software engineering and architecture with Frame, check out the links below. Thank you for watching.